Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best pet stroller that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pet Gear Ultra Lite Travel Pet Stroller. This stroller is an excellent choice to contain and protect your pet while you are busy buying groceries, doing chores outside the home, or even at the mall shopping. The stroller possesses remarkable durability and has been designed to be lightweight at the same time, weighing only 9 pounds. The portable design also makes it super easy to fit the stroller in your car. It's the ideal travel choice as you can carry it in your vehicle for long journeys so that your pet does not feel left out. Another significant feature that needs to be taken into account with these pushcarts is the type and size of wheels. A large tire size indicates ease of mobility and makes turning the stroller at different angles convenient for you. This fantastic product features 6 inches wheels so you can stroll about with maximum ease, and the rear safety brakes make sure that you can control it at all times. The stroller height to handle is an impressive 38. It has a simple and brisk quick fold mechanism which makes it easy to maneuver. Another star feature is the mesh ventilation that simultaneously provides your pet with a wide view and fresh air. Pet Gear Ultra Lite Travel Pet Stroller is ideal for pets that weigh up to 15 pounds. All these amazing characteristics combined with a killer price make this pet stroller an absolute steal. Moving on at number 4, we have the Best Pet Foldable Travel 3-Wheel Waterproof Pet Stroller. Best Pet Foldable Travel 3-Wheel Waterproof Pet Stroller is made with the finest quality Oxford cloth that provides excellent water resistance so you have no trouble taking your friend out for a walk even when it is drizzling wet outside. The stroller has been forged with durable materials and exhibits numerous useful characteristics. The cool features include a cozy padded seat for the ultimate comfort of your pet and strong mesh windows that not only provide good visibility and adequate ventilation but also keep intruders like insects and bees at bay. With a weight of 11 pounds, its light and airy construction make it ideal for traveling, and the collapsible mechanism enables it to be easily folded and placed in your vehicle or stored compactly in your home without devouring extra space. The ergonomic design makes it ideal for daily use. Take your dog for a walk around the block or let your cat get some fresh air as you take a stroll through the park. The substantial 6.3 wheels can glide smoothly over all surfaces, including rough terrain, and the rear brakes and safety tether ensure a safe outdoor excursion. The front wheels also conveniently rotate 360 degrees for exceptional mobility. Other fantastic accessories include a cup holder and a spacious undercarriage where you can stow away all your stuff. At number 3, we have the PetSafe Solvit HoundAbout Pet Stroller. PetSafe Solvit HoundAbout Pet Stroller is a one-of-its-kind mobile device that adds another level of efficacy and innovation to pet strollers. Unlike ordinary pet strollers, it features a unique design that complies with the avant-garde and futuristic standards of PetSafe, which has been a leading industry brand specializing in pet containment and lifestyle products since 1991. And helps serve the needs of both pets and their owners. This bicycle trailer can be moved on its own or also easily attached to your bike with an adjustable safety leash that ensures a smooth and secure ride that your dog thoroughly enjoys as well. The trailer boasts a superior construction of 600D polyester with a waterproof floorboard and a sturdy, rust-resistant aluminum frame. The stroller includes a front door covered with a water-resistant layer, mesh screens so that your pet can enjoy the view, and even a sunroof for your little friend to soak the sun in style. The stroller comes in 2 sizes, medium and large. The medium option consists of 2 16-inch tires while the large one comes with 2 20-inch wheels. The trailer features an extremely simple and uncomplicated DIY assembly requiring minimum time and effort. The bonus is a number of spacious pockets to hold and store all your valuables while you take your dog or cat out for a joyride. At number 2, we have the Best Choice Products 2-in-1 Pet Stroller and Trailer. Pet strollers are a useful purchase. But their fun and productivity are amplified when they are more than just strollers, like this 2-in-1 product that functions as a stroller and trailer in one. Use it to take your dog out for a leisurely walk around town or latch it onto your bicycle if you do not feel like walking but are hesitant to leave your furry bud behind. With its universal hitch, you can conveniently attach the trailer to any bicycle. Its user-friendly operation includes an adjustable handle to fit your desired height with the push of a button while using the stroller function. Best Choice Products 2-in-1 Pet Stroller is composed of a sustainable yet lightweight steel frame, and the body is crafted using high-quality, water-repellent polyester. So, come rain, hail or shine, your beloved companion is always well protected. And to pamper it further, the cabin includes removable pads for cushioning comfort. The fine mesh windows provide excellent visibility so you can always keep your pet in sight. The mesh also serves as an effective filter for all bugs and insects that can bother your dog or cat. Keeping in mind the animal's safety, a built-in handbrake is installed in the trailer that lets you control it with relative ease. Other smart features such as a safety flag and reflectors add to the overall appeal of the stroller. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pet Gear No Zip Happy Trails Lite Pet Stroller. Pet Gear No Zip Happy Trails Lite Pet Stroller is one of the very best pet strollers in the market, as it offers amazing features, a stellar look, and best value for your money. This 4-wheel stroller is the perfect pick to complement your 4-legged companion. The stylish and visually appealing design of the stroller cart is sure to earn you and your pet nods of approval and glances of admiration. And it is not only a pretty sight but works just as well. You can place all your stuff in the expansive undercarriage and embark on a relaxing stroll with your pet. The no-zip technology is an innovative and advanced feature that means you do not have to struggle with resistant zippers that test your patience. The simple yet adept easy lock entry lets you operate the stroller with maximal ease. The stroller also features a panoramic view window with 3-position canopy so that your pet does not miss out on the adventure while being totally protected from the harsh sun. This stroller allows you to rightly spoil your darling dog with fabulous features such as the elevated paw rest. The front wheels are 6 inches in size while the back wheels are 7 inches large for smooth strolling. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon